What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 4 with my brother here. I was recording this, but then my brother, he was playing with us, and he started doing bad, so he started saying some bad things, so I couldn't record anymore. No.
Why does it just change colors whenever? I don't get how it like.
Me neither. I don't get this.
Remember that mind game, Jude?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna run over.
Dang it! I was so close. Get ready to fight, okay?
Oh my god, you'll just get this right here.
Get zappered. Don't zap me, please. No, I died.
No, I was trying to change my camera.
When we're doing these things, I like to zoom all the way in on my computer. When I'm on that, zoom all the way in, and then just look around. See? That's why I do that.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Dude, you know I'm playing with WSD right now.
Yeah, like you're doing good. I taught you well, I think. Well, actually, Minecraft taught you well.
It's a lot easier when I'm in first person.
Yeah. No, some dude just died.
Oh my god.
How are you guys? This dude was.
Why am I pink?
You're not.
I look pink because of the.
You don't look pink. Oh yeah, you do kind of look pink.
Because of the dark. Don't mind this, guys. It's just because of the dark color. I'm not actually this color. Ow! Oh my god.
So now you can see if it was just the dark. Ah,
it's still dark.
Oh yeah, it's still dark. Oh my god, we just went through that one. How did?
Alright, I will tell you guys. It is not actually this.
You guys saw it in our last video, maybe. Did you guys, if you've seen that last video?
Yeah.
You know, it's not that.
Yeah, because I didn't have this one in
No! Oh, I think I won! Yes, I won!
See, guys, look.
Yeah, now you look a lot better.
You guys
stay in the light. This one's hard.
Not if you have keyboard and mouse.
It's hard to get around these things. Crap, it made me jump.
If you get out the light, bro.
It made me jump for some reason.
No. I'm in the light, bro. I was in the light.
Yeah, it is weird. I don't...
See, guys, look. I am red. My red is actually blending in now. It's getting used to the color. Jude, my eyes are getting used to the color being like this, and look. Doesn't it look more blended in than when we first put it on?
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Bro, who is placing those things?
I remember when the people had the walls and I was so jealous, and like now we have them and they don't like do anything.
For real.
But we like to waste our money, bro. Like, how much were they anyway?
I don't know.
These scoopers, yeah, 450. That is.
Oh my god, I think I won.
It's kind of a lot of money.
No, none of us survived.
This one's kind of easy.
This one's kind of hard for me.
It's kind of easy because I got mouse and keyboard and wheels and stuff. Yo, you just gotta get 7 out, and then just be ready.
Yeah.
To play. Yo. I'm gonna get.
Bro, I just placed the wall. Here, I'm coming down for you, and I'm gonna help you.
I'm running. You're gonna need to place the walls for me. Holy crap! Okay. I'm running by the edge.
Bro, it don't matter if I die.
I'm running by the edge.
Bro, it killed me!
No! I was so close. That's the peasants.
No way!
I gotta zoom out. Yo, I'm so zoomed out I can see all these peasants.
But it's kind of hard to catch.
These people are jumping everywhere. Yo. There's one on the button presser. Dude.
Yes, I think I got that one. Dude, somebody has 5.
It's a lot of presents, bro. I'm going to the special. Whenever I'm zoomed in, I don't know where the presents are actually coming at. There's one coming up here. Yes. No.
Oh, no, I only had 4.
That's actually a good job, bro. I'm proud of that kid.
Where are we? I don't know. Let me try this.
This one
Okay,
sucks. Like,
Yeah, there's no point in it.
Yeah, if you find the exit, like...
It does
It's
nothing.
just like a black thing.
Yeah, it does
Because
actually.
we've beat it before.
Can you tell us what this is if you've played before? If you played this one and beat it and stuff, can you
And
tell
beat
us
it.
like how it works? Because look, this. Put it in the comments of like how you do this, because like I thought this was the end, but apparently it does nothing. So I'm just
Tell us
trying
in
to
the
find it.
comments
Yeah,
if
tell us down below in the comments section,
If that's actually correct.
because I don't know what's going on.
Slide down. Yes, sir. I love
Yes,
this one.
sir. Woo!
Ooh. This is
Woo!
upside down.
I died. I think I was supposed to die.
We just keep sliding, boys. Let's keep going. Let's keep sliding. Woo.
Woo!
I just jumped in the slide.
Boy,
Yup.
just
This one is boring, and
yeah, it's kind of dumb. I don't like it that much.
yeah, I'm just gonna go have a party.
Oh, that's his hammer.
Do
No,
you
it's
want to have a
not.
party with me back here?
No, I'm doing it because it gives me stuff. Your blueprint, bro. This is totally mixed up. This is not how it is normally. Hammer. Great, got it. He's probably not gonna. He's gonna. Yup.
Don't mind me, I just don't like this one, boys. Okay. I just don't like it.
Thank you. It gives you 10 coins for bringing your modded tools.
That's not much for all that work.
Yeah.
Because you can literally just pick up 2 coins and get that much.
Yeah. You can just go. Oh crap! Find a
Yeah,
block
see,
tool.
this is what we've
See,
been talking about.
I just
We
do
just have
this,
it, we just drink it once, and then
and then we're done.
and
Yeah.
then we're good to survive. So you don't have to worry about this one. And then we like to build like little walls and just like
In case of people that have bad stuff.
Yeah, it saves them from the.
Saves me from the wind and stuff.
Yeah, it also saves the people that don't have Bloxy Colas die by the wind. That's why you drink a Bloxy Cola so the wind. But if you stand in here, the wind doesn't get you, and it keeps people in need. And that was all the people because they were all hiding out in there. Too bad it fell on the button. Take a honey.
Red light. What?
What?
Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Oh. Bro, get those 2 coins. I think they give you 10 each. Bro, you just got 15 coins. Now you just gotta wait 30. Now you just gotta wait 30 seconds.
I like that one. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Yo, sometimes I run too fast.
Yeah, look at that, boys. Look at that.
But I just need to keep running because eventually it will get fast enough to where I'll just need to keep running. I feel like this isn't possible. Oh my god!
Go through it! Go through it! You know when it's not red, when you can see through it? You can walk through it when it's like that. See, you can walk through it like that? So that way when it turns like that, it's possible to survive.
I did not know that. Pick a side. I'm going with the lucky blue.
I'm going with the lucky yellow.
I'm gonna go with blue because that's my favorite color.
Oh, one person. No, he didn't even die because I have a jetpack.
Lucky yellow with Jude.
Lucky yellow.
Because we did this last time. And get right by the edge. Oh, wait, no.
Bro just ran out.
I thought you could jump on here. That's
no.
If you don't pick the right one, then. Lucky yellow, don't fail us. Yo, it was lucky yellow.
I told you.
Watch out for the raining bombs. Remember, you can't die.
Oh, wait, yeah, you can't die. You have to just, like, run away from them.
Stand by the buttons. They can't go up the littlest bump.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Jude, get on the button presser's head. I died, but do this for me.
I got you.
Wait, is there stuff in this game that I can buy for 5 Robux?
No. The cheapest thing is 20.
Where's the shop to buy?
The cheapest thing is 20, and then you can buy game passes. And then the cheapest game pass is like 150. Yeah, the cheapest game pass is 150. Oh, I figured out what that does.
This one is gonna be hard. I have to click. Oh my god! Some people are hitting me at the bottom.
I know, it's annoying.
Oh, a piece of my mind, bro.
If I die, I'll be happy. Damn it.
I have a keyboard I'm playing with, bro. You don't want to mess with me. You don't want to mess with me. Like, bro, chill. Back up.
Dang,
I'm knocking everybody off. I'm trying to go up there and just, like, win.
I'm really good at this one. That's why I'm winning right now.
Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing, Jude. Look what I'm doing, bro.
Bye.
I'll help you defend, Jude. I'm trying to help you defend so you can win.
Bye. Damn it, I died.
Don't mind this, guys. YouTubing is fun.
Yeah, it's just fun. Let's go. I'm earning time. Yeah.
This is gonna be the end of the video, guys.
And
oh no, I actually like this one because it's kind of like.
Okay, well, sorry, I accidentally paused this during this one. I accidentally paused during this, but that's the end of the video. See you guys.